We bring in the Asia CEO for Standard Chartered, Jaspal Bindra, joins us in the studio. Nice to see you, Mr. Bindra, and congratulations on those results. Let's talk about it, because you said 2010 January earnings looks pretty good so far, surpassing what we saw in January last year. So how does 2010 look for your bank?
Well, just to confirm, January has been record month again in income and profits for us. And for client income, it's a record month. So it augurs well to start that way, but it's only 1 month. So we're still cautiously optimistic, but cautious.
Yeah, that sounds about the same for every bank these days. We had HSBC, of course, reporting results earlier in the week, and they had problems just like Standard Chartered did in consumer banking, what has been the strength of HSBC, has been the strength of Standard Chartered. What is happening here? Is it because of the low interest rate environment that we're seeing globally?
Yes, we are seeing both two headwinds. We are seeing margin compression because of low interest rates, and we are also seeing foreign exchange adversely affect earnings on both the wholesale and consumer bank. Having said that, our consumer bank quarter on quarter, every quarter of 2009, has shown an incremental performance in income and profit.
Mr. Bindra, I'm just interested, when you talk about those headwinds, one of those identified by your chief executive, Peter Sands, in the world is potential for rising protectionism. And that's a big concern in India as well, because it's very reluctant to open up some sectors of the industry, such as retail. Yet you still see large growth in India. Are you benefiting from protectionism there, or do you think the economy is going to suffer?
I think protectionism is relative. So clearly, if you look at India from the past, it's far more open today than it was 10 years ago. And we are benefiting from that opening up. I mean, for the first time, we are having export of capital from India. That was unheard of. And we are allowing our network to benefit from that business. In terms of global protectionism, I think it's going to be largely a factor of job creation than anything else, and that's a political challenge the governments have.
Mr.